Hello guys, blessed Tuesday, breakfast time, kagigising ko lang. Ayan, skinless chicken garlic chorizo. Ang sarap niya guys, masarap siya. Ito, skinless chicken chorizo. Laswa, lutong Ilonggo. Yan, meron may takway, may clam, may papaya, saluyot, malunggay. Ayan, laging may sabaw. Tsaka ito. Yan, tuyo. Lalong pampagana. Paksiw. Yan. Paksiw na isda. Yan, for breakfast guys. Late kasi ako nagigising, kaya ngayon palang kakain. Na, ito ang aming batang maliit. Ayan. Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? What is your name?
My name is Ruby Brand Politico.
Yeah, make it louder. At ang aming isang batang maliit, ayun, nakaupo. Si Manang Peng. Ayun, yung folding bed doon. Aking kapatid na si Toto. Ayan. Ito lang kami guys. Bye-bye. Are you going to school today? Ah, very nice uniform. I love it. Wow. You say good morning to your teacher for me, okay?
Okay.
Very good, Esther Gwen. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Praise God. Ayan. Very simple food. Ilonggo na pagkain. Laswa. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. God bless everyone.